Hello, this is Miss Eford. I just wanted to make a video to help you guys get logged into your Google Classroom. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it from a computer, a web browser. It'll be similar on like a device that you have. It'll be better if you can do it when you go through the internet. I know that Google Classroom has an app, and I'm going to try and make a way to show you that in a little bit, but what I want to do is I want to just show you first how to do it off of like a computer, or if you open like a tablet, an iPad, or any sort of device that you have and you go to the internet instead of an app, this is how you're going to be able to log in. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to Google. Okay, so just google.com, so just so that you have this, and then you're going to come up here and you're going to see where it says Gmail, images. It's going to have these dots. Those are all of the apps for Google. And then it's going to have your account. The first thing that you're going to need to do is you need to make sure that you're not logged into your personal account. So like this is my work account. This is my email. What you're going to need to do is you need to, it'll code down here and it says add another account. You're going to click that. Okay, and it's going to show this. And what you're going to do is you're going to type in that third student. So it's going to be third.student at Rocky. And see how it's already got it pulled up right here for me. So it's third.student at rockyford.k12.co.us. It's really important that you do that whole email. That is the third grade email that was created at Jefferson, and the third graders use it every day. This is how you're going to access Google Classroom. And then you're going to click Next. And it's going to ask you for the password. So I'm going to have it show. And it's going to be 3RD student. No capitals, no spaces. Okay, and then you're going to click Next. Okay, and so now you're logged in. Okay, and if you click right here, it's going to show third grade. It's going to show that you're in here. After you've logged in, and this is only going to work if you've logged in, then you're going to click right here where it has the apps, and you're going to click Classroom. Okay, let's say that you get there and it doesn't show this classroom icon. Okay, you're going to have to scroll down until you do find it. Okay, if you need to, you can go down to here and you can click it and then you can search for it. Alright, so then you click it and it's going to load. You're only going to have one classroom in here and it's going to be called third grade classroom. It's going to say Miss Eford, Mrs. Moreland, and Mrs. Young. And you'll click that and open it. And then this is your Google Classroom. Okay. So when you get here, it's going to have a lot of things already in here. Like this is the math video that I posted for April 13th. And your kids are going to be able to click that link and it's going to open up, and the video that I created on teaching the math lesson for today is going to be right there. Okay? But you'll be able to scroll through and there's the reading lesson, any different comments. The reason why we want you to log in under the third account is because you have to have a school email to log into this. If you don't have a school email, then you're not going to be able to see the videos. You're not going to be able to join our classroom. So if you get here, okay, and let's say I try to go under, this is my personal email. So this is an email that's not a school email. And I try to go into Google Classroom. It's going to bring this up. If it brings up this and it says you don't have any existing classes, then that means you're still logged into your personal account because you can't just join a class. So you have to make sure that you're logged into that third student account, and then it'll bring you into Google Classroom. Okay? And you'll be able to access everything that we're posting. Now the same thing goes for your apps. Let me get some of this closed. Okay, the same thing is going to go for your apps in that, let me just go here. That if you download the Google Classroom app, it shows the same icon. If you look in your app store, it's going to have the same icon. If you log in through your personal email, then it's going to ask you to join a class. If it asks you to join a class or for a class code, then that means you're not logged into the right account. So we sent the email and the password to you, but if you need it again, remember that I showed you it's third.student@rockyford.k12.co.us, and the password is just third student without this period. Okay? And if you need anything, you can call me or Miss Moreland or Miss Young, and we'll be able to walk you through it. But I wanted to create a video that you could see how it looks from the computer side. If you need to, you should be able to do, if for some reason you're looking in this apps part right here and it's not bringing it up, you should be able to go classroom.google.com and it'll pull it up. Okay, so this is my teacher account. So I'm logged in as my teacher account because I'm a teacher in the classroom, but you need to be logged in into third student. Okay, so if you can't find it in this is the easiest way to do it, is if you click these dots after you've logged into your Google account, this should pop up. If you can't find that, then you go and you search classroom.google.com, just as you see right here. You search that, and it'll bring it up. And then mine automatically signs me in, but that's just because I have it saved, and so I don't have to log in every time. But it'll have you log in if you're not already logged into a Google account. But if you get here and it's asking you to sign in or asking you for a class code, then just remember again, and I'm going to say it a million times just because that's the issue that everybody's facing, it just means that you're not logged into your Google account. Or you are logged into your Google account, you need to be in the third student. Okay? All right, perfect. Thank you so much.